Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another market analysis. So first, we have ICICI Bank. As you can see, it has still not sustained over this horizontal level, and I don't think we are going to look for any long opportunities here because as you can see, it opened up, it came down again, it went up, it came down again, took a pullback, and then again it's down. So this looks like a very strong support. Once the stock breaks this support, we can take a short trade over here. You can consider pivot as your target, or we can also consider this level as our target. This looks like a good target. Let's see how big. 0.9%, which is okay. 0.9% of a target is okay. So this is ICICI Bank for intraday. Next we have Kotak. As you can see, it is in a zone. It is consolidating from the last 2 days. So consolidation breakouts are one of the strongest breakouts, and if the stock breaks out, you can take an entry on either side. If the stock breaks out here, then you can go for a long trade. You can consider pivot as your target, or this also looks like a good level. Let's see how big. 1.3 1.4% is the target, and if it breaks down below, this can be your first target. This can be the short target. So this is Kotak Bank. Both side potential. If it breaks out, if it breaks out above, then this can be the target, and if it breaks down below this level, and if it sustains, then this should be the ideal short target. Next is RBL Bank. As you can see, this has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern. This the symmetrical triangle pattern. If the stock breaks out this level, an entry can be taken. Long, this can be the long target, and for short, this can be the short target. Short entry should be below this level. As you can see here, you can see a support level. So once the stock sustains below this, you can take an entry, and yeah, it's a 1% target, so it's good. 1% target is for yes, RBL Bank for intraday, both side potential. After breakout, you can take an entry on either side, and I've marked the targets already. This is Infosys. This is for a swing trade. I'll show you. The stock is on 200 EMA on 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, it has formed a hammer. Hammer on 200 EMA is a very bullish sign. Okay, so if on Monday, if you see a bullish signal, a long trade can be taken, and the target, if you zoom out, you can see this is in a channel. Yes, this is a channel. So if you take an entry here, this can be the resistance level. This can be the first target, and this can be the second target. But if you want to hold it further, you can just zoom out and see this level. This is the next price action level, as you can see. So I'll just show you how big of the target that is. This is 2%. 2% is okay for for a short swing trade for 2 days maybe, and the final target is of 4.5%. So this is Infosys for a swing trade. Next is Nifty. Nifty, as you can see, these are the levels of yesterday that I showed in the previous video. Long, we are not going to take. I don't think I would suggest anyone to take a long trade before it sustains over this level. But short, you can take below this level. Once the stock breaks down this level, a short trade can be taken. If you're a safe trader, you can wait for a retest and then take your entry, and this can be the potential short target for Nifty. For Bank Nifty, as you can see, this was the previous horizontal support that I had drawn, and now you can see a trend line as well. So once if the stock breaks out, we can take an entry above this level. This, as you can see, is a resistance level, so above this level we can take an entry, and again this can be the first target, this can be the second target for bank nifty, and if the stock breaks down here, this can be the short target. So quickly again I'll give you an overview, guys. For ICICI Bank, short trade looks better than a long one. So if the stock sustains below this level, we can take an entry, and this can be the target. Kotak Mahindra, again both side potentials, entry can be taken on either side and a marked target on both sides. RBL Bank, again both side potential, whichever side it breaks out, you can take an entry, and the targets, as you can see, it's been marked here. Infosys for a swing trade, on 30 minutes time frame for a long side. As you can see, I have marked the targets. This can be the first target, this trend line can be the second target, and this can be the final target, depends on how long you can hold it. Nifty, again just like I said, for a short trade you can take an entry below this level, and this can be the target. And long entry I wouldn't suggest before this, you can take after it sustains above this level, and you can consider pivot as your target. Bank Nifty, again short can be taken below this level, this can be the target, and long trade can be taken after it breaks out the trend line and sustains above this resistance. So this is basically it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.